Hi everyone! Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions? Most of us want to feel more passionate about our lives, but we aren't always sure how to find that spark. Passion is more than just a fleeting emotion. It is the essence of your authentic self, the North Star that illuminates your path to a purposeful life. Today, we're drawing on the expert insights of Dr. Noeline Kirabo to explore how you can stop just existing and start thriving by uncovering what truly resonates with the core of your being. Before we start the search, we need to clear some common misconceptions. Many people believe passion is something you're born with, but that's a myth. Passion is often something you cultivate over time through exploration and practice. Another big one, that finding your passion is easy or that you should follow it at any cost. In reality, it's a winding journey that requires patience and a balance between your dreams and your practical needs, like financial stability. And no, pursuing what you love isn't selfish. Your authenticity can actually inspire others and become a catalyst for societal change. So, where do you start? You start by looking inward. Self-discovery is the foundational step toward a life lived authentically. You need to identify three things: your values, your strengths, and your weaknesses. These are your moral compass. If you value social justice, you might find passion in advocacy. If you value creativity, you might belong in the arts. Strengths and talents. Strengths are often things that flow effortlessly for you, while skills are abilities you've worked hard to acquire. Tools like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator or the Big Five can help you discover your unique blueprint. For example, an extrovert might find passion in social roles, while an introvert might excel in solitary reflective pursuits. The biggest thing standing in your way is usually fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, or even fear of success. To move past this, you need to develop what psychologist Carol Dweck calls a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities aren't fixed. You can develop them through dedication and hard work. Instead of seeing a mistake as a dead end, see it as feedback and a stepping stone toward mastery. When you reframe setbacks as learning opportunities, you build the resilience needed to keep going when things get tough. Once you have an idea of your interests, it's time for a plan. Don't just have a vague dream. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. If your passion is photography, a SMART goal isn't just get better at photos, it's attend a composition workshop by next month. Breaking down large ambitions into smaller, achievable steps helps you overcome procrastination and build momentum. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Build a support system. Surround yourself with mentors who have walked the path before you and accountability partners who will keep you focused. Finally, don't forget to take care of yourself. Self-care is a non-negotiable part of the pursuit. Neglecting your well-being leads to burnout, which can kill the very passion you're trying to nurture. Finding your passion is a journey of relentless growth. It might take time, and it might involve some trial and error, but the destination, a life infused with purpose and joy, is well worth the effort. Start your expedition today. The adventure awaits.